Fly up here.
Chinchilla in a ball. Who crashes?
He's like, move over, bitches. See, look, they're up. Come on, Polo, show Kay what you can do.
Now somebody watch her. 'Cause I feel like she tries to hide away.
Now you come to me. Now you come to me. He's like, yes, I'm in the ball.
Now I can run them over.
That's what he thinks.
It's just some love-hate. Traffic jam. Toto the collector, trying to collect the chinchilla.
That Gizmo pooped in his ball.
Yeah, that's what chinchillas do. Why are you wagging your tail?
Because Kodo does that.
Don't run over Izzy! The yellow ball saved Izzy's life.
He's like, now you're going to know what it feel like to be prey.
Izzy doesn't do it. Now Izzy's prey. I feel like the boys just make anything prey. They'd make Iceberg prey if they'd let him. Hey. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Break it up.
Are you going in my pocket?
He's like, I'm trying to.